around January and February for 5 or 6 weekends. We celebrating beautiful red anemones. People coming from all over Israel. Everyone can find his own thing.
Darom Adom festival is a very special month here in Israel, in the Negev. Everything gets red color around from the red flowers.
Came here a few friends to see Darom Adom. We wanted to hear some good music, drink some beer. We ate some great vegetables, and we're here for the second week in a row.